Right now, you're looking at pure peace, two tiny kittens, sleeping side by side on a chair. Completely lost in their little dream world, their tiny paws are curled up, their soft fur rising and falling with every gentle breath. No worries. No stress. Just warmth, comfort, and trust. They don't care about the noise of the world. All they need is this cozy chair. And each other. Sometimes, happiness is this simple. A quiet moment. A safe place. And someone to sleep next to. If this made you smile, take a deep breath. Relax. And enjoy this peaceful kitten moment.